Oops.
Hey you! Yeah, you! Are you gay, crazy, or already involved?
What?
Which is it? Gay, crazy, or already involved?
Already involved.
Hey, you! Are you gay, crazy, or already involved? Hey! Gay, crazy, or already involved?
Gay. Definitely gay.
Are you gay, crazy, or already involved?
Excuse me?
Which is it? Gay, crazy, or already involved?
Am I guessing about you or are you asking about me?
You, which is it? Gay, crazy, or already involved?
Well, I'm not gay, and I don't think I'm crazy, and I'm not already involved, so none of the above.
No, you are crazy. If you're not gay or already involved at your age, you are definitely crazy.
Which are you?
Oh, me? I'm crazy too.
You don't look crazy to me.
I am standing on a street corner, asking random passing men if they're gay, crazy, or already involved. Does this seem like rational behavior to you?
I guess not. Then again, I'm aimlessly wandering the streets myself. The main reason I'm doing this, to be perfectly honest, the main reason I do pretty much anything these days is the vague, insubstantial hope that I might one day meet the one woman I'm meant to be with. So I guess you're right. I guess I am crazy too.
I'll say. Sounds like we're meant for one another. Do you want to go to the Starbucks across the street and get a latte? Oh, I know that Starbucks is this giant behemoth that's destroying the rainforests and homogenizing our culture and putting the independent coffee houses out of business, but it's really cool in there and they have comfortable chairs.
Will you marry me?
It's a distinct